Hello everybody, my name is Kevin Ramos. I'm from Chinandega, that I say Chinatown is here in Nicaragua. Now, today I'm going to show you the difference between the get used, be used, and the getting used, get used. What are the difference, what are the meanings, what are the structures, and at the end of the video I'm going to show you a summary of all of them. Okay, so keep in the video. Go ahead, this is my video. Well, here we are. They are very similar. We are going to look at then step by step. All of three are very simple difference. Well, we have the used to, be used to, get used to. So, well, here we have the main structures of the use of the used to. We have the subject, plus used to plus verb infinitive. Well, what is the verb infinitive? We have eat, ate and eating, play, played and played. Both of these, they are the verb infinitive. It's the present way in the infinitive way. Well, we have the used to, but what is the used to, or how we can use it? The used to is used to express things that we did in the past. So in the present you don't do it no more. Just in the past, remember that, because the used to is something that we did in the past but now we don't. Well, I really want to explain with some example. We have I used to smoke but now I don't. I used to have a lot of free time but now I don't. So here we can see that we made something in the past, but now in the present we don't do that. Therefore, I told you that is a way to say something in the past, but in the present we don't do it. We have the negative form. Well, in the negative form is totally different. What we didn't do in the past, but now we do. So we have the subject plus did not plus used to plus verb infinitive. For example, we have I didn't used to smoke, but now I do. I didn't used to smoke a lot of free time, but now I do. It could be maybe because we changed some parts of our life and we changed many habits. It could be that at the past we didn't have enough time, but now we have a lot of free time. So this is the way of the negative form, but you see that we remove the letter D. We remove the letter D from here and we use the way of the auxiliary do, but in the past did, with the contraction of not didn't. So that's what the reason we remove the letter D of D. We can see over here. So used to and used to, this is in the past way and this is in the present way, but the pronunciation is the same. So used to and used to. And what about with the question form? They are in the following way. Did you used to smoke? What? Did you used to have a lot of free time? So in the structure of it will be did the auxiliary verb did plus subject plus used to plus verb infinitive. That the verb infinitive is the how we can express in the infinitive form of the verb. So this is the verb infinitive and this is the structure of the used to in the question form. Well, here we have the be used to and the structure is be plus used to plus noun or the verb with the ing form. And remember, put the subject at the beginning of the sentence. Remember that it could be a little bit confusing, but you will get it. So it's not too hard to understand, but you will get it. We use this structure, remember, to speak about things that we are accustomed to do. They could be things that we are accustomed to, things that we're comfortable with, or maybe things that are normal for us but maybe not too normal for the other people. So this is a a very very important point because imagine that you live in Chinatown here where I am, so a friend comes to visit you, and it could be that, for example, here we have a place very very noisy, but how I am accustomed, so maybe a friend it could be not accustomed to that. So remember at the next day, my friend he could ask me, how can I sleep with all of that noise? So I can say I sleep like a baby because I accustomed to the noise, but he or she not, or she doesn't. It could she or he could tell me that they didn't sleep at all. And this is what I was telling you. I am used to the noise, so I don't even hear it. But the noise is normal for you. In this case, for me, I'm accustomed to the noise, but the other person doesn't. So this could be a use of the be used to. Another example we have, teenager are used to studies. Well, when we are teenager, well, I am too. We are accustomed to study, and the studying is not a problem to learn something new. We have other examples. I am used to waking up early. I am used to spicy food. We are used to eat. Maybe it could be a kind of trouble. Sorry, because I was leading the imagine with the camera. So remember that we can use the be form, and we can change it to the past form, to the verb was or were. For example, I was used to finding way to entertain myself. This is a way that we can use in the past. Well, we have the main be used to, negative form. I am not used to the noise, what I told you before. And the question form is the following: are you used to the noise? Is she used to travel? Well, the structure of this is be plus subject plus used to plus noun and the verb with the ing form. So this is the structure of the question form. Well, now we are going to with the last way of the used to, that is get used to. I'm going to start with some sample and then I will give you the structures. So I'm still getting used to everything. So it could be another one. You will get used to teach online. Well, with this the corona is something frequent that all the teachers are learning how to teach online. So it could be a good way to express this. Sorry. I am going to get used to teaching online. Okay. My mom wears this really powerful perfume, or maybe your girlfriend, your wife. It could be another person. Remember that we can change all the subject. I just can't get used to smell her. So it could be this, because we cannot get used to smell her smelling. So here we have, I am completely comfortable with the smell of her. Well, no. I am slowly becoming comfortable. No, because I can't get used to smell her. In this case, I can't get used to smell or to the smell. And the structure is the pronoun or the subject plus be plus get plus the ing form and used to plus noun at the end. Well guys, now I'm going to show you the difference between used to, be used to, get used to. Well, I used to use crutches. When we are sick and we have a broken leg, we need to use crutches because we cannot walk. So this is the first with the first example that is linked to this. I am used to using crutches. This is the second one that is linked with the second one. I am getting used to using crutches. This is the third one. How I show you, or how I told you, this is in the past, this is in the present, and this is in the present, but I am still getting comfortable to do something. So here I can show you, I used crunches in the past. Now I don't. I am comfortable with them. This is the second one, because I am comfortable. I did in the past, now I do it. But it's very, very comfortable. And the third one is now I am not comfortable, but with practice I will get comfortable to use the crunches. So it's something that is progressing, that we can get it with practice. And well guys, this is my video. I hope that you enjoyed it and take advantage of this knowledge that I have shared with you. Thank you for your attention, and thank you for watching at the beginning, at the end, sorry. Please like if you like. This is everything. My name is Kevin, so I hope that you love it. So see you.